Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber Sharniece. In today's vlog, we are going to be doing a monthly or Sunday reset routine. Okay, you guys, I just want to show you guys how I get prepared for the next month. Make sure I have everything in line and that we're setting intentions and setting goals to have a wonderful month. So if you want to check out my routine, stay tuned. First thing we want to do is we want to start off by doing some journaling, some prayer, just basically some setting goals and intentions for the month. So therefore, we kind of know what we're working towards. Just kind of want to make sure that I am up on my spirituality. Okay, so that's pretty much what I like to do starting off my month. And then, honey, we need to rejuvenate this head, okay? So last month I had in some Fulani Bohemian braids, honey. I was real cute for vacation, but it's a new month, so it's time to wash my hair, get it prepped, get it prepared for a new hairstyle for this month. Stay tuned to the channel to figure out what it's going to be. So we're going to go in with some ORS olive oil, shampoo, conditioner, and hair polish, you guys. I actually picked these products up from Walmart. They were very inexpensive. I was in there for the longest trying to figure out what to use on my head. And I remembered, I was like, back in the day, I used to use this product line and they used to be really, really good. I saw the conditioner and I was like, we're definitely getting this because it is an amazing conditioner, you guys. It gets my hair so soft. And this gloss polisher is phenomenal. A little bit goes a very long way. And I tell you guys, when I, wash this hair, get it all nice and lathered, and then I blow dry it and everything, it feels extremely good. You guys, look at my hair's progress. If you are not new to me, you know that I had a pixie cut like a year and a half ago, and look at it. It's already growing back out. So I'm super happy about that. But love how the shampoo lathers. I feel like my hair got really, really clean. I've cleaned it a couple times. But that's just after I blow dried it, and now we are ready to start our skincare for the month. So I do have a goal about my skin. You guys, it's been acting up. Okay, it has not been the best, so I'm trying to whip it back into shape. So I'm trying to come up with curate a skincare regimen that's going to help my skin become healthy. Ignore me, okay? Ignore what I'm doing here. I'm tripping. I was actually listening to Earth, Wind, and Fire. And maybe the song got good to me, okay? I'm going to go with my Good Molecules Brightening Toner. I'll be using that to tone the skin. And once we do that, we're going to go back in with some CeraVe, and we're going to be using their daily moisturizer. I really actually like this moisturizer lotion because it's summer, it's really hot outside. This does not leave me feeling very hot or oily or greasy or anything like that. But it definitely has my skin moisturized. So I really, really like this. This is actually like a vitamin C rose oil. I really do like it. Y'all got like a professional skincare routine? Let your girl know in the comment section down below. And I'm pretty much just doing what I would do like with the gua sha, getting all the fluids and stuff on my face and all that good stuff. Now we are straightening up the oasis, okay? So you don't want to go into a new month with your room looking a hot mess. Pretty much the only thing that was wrong with my room was my bed. I have a few like knickknacks and stuff like in different areas that it shouldn't be, so I straightened that up a little bit. But other than that, I just pretty much made up my bed, got it nice and cute and ready for me to hop back in there tonight, later on that night. Just making it up with all my little pillows and stuff. And I do have I do believe I have a bedroom like video about all the stuff that I got for my bedroom, or just check my Amazon and I have everything linked there if anybody's interested in any of the things that you see on my bed, okay? So that's pretty much what it looks like in here. It's really cute, really cozy. Still have not finished decorating this room yet, but you guys, I promise to keep you updated. Now, of course, what is a reset without cleaning the entire house? So that is what I'm doing. I am getting this house together, getting this house cleaned. You guys know I have 2 little ones. I have a 9-year-old and a 3-year-old. And those little people don't pick up behind themselves. And I also have a husband that just sits his stuff down around the house anywhere he pleases. But I am not innocent either. So we do have to try to keep this house clean. We clean more than the average family, in my opinion, because I feel like we are cleaning constantly. But yeah, just getting the house back together, trying to keep it clean, trying to make it presentable. Is it me, or is it like anytime your house is super clean, nobody wants to stop by, nobody comes by, nobody pops up? But the moment that your house is dirty, somebody is stopping by, popping up, showing up. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely want to get the house clean. Is also a great way to start up your month. Anytime that your space is dirty and cluttered and just, smelly or whatever the case may be, it just puts you in a terrible mood. And of course, we don't want that, especially going into our new month. We want a nice clean home, makes you're proud and happy to actually be at home. You know what I'm saying? So definitely getting in here, cleaning up, putting the kids out the way so they're not in my way while I'm trying to clean up and they messing up and stuff. So that's pretty much all that I'm doing here. And it's just really, really important to, keep your spaces clean. It also helps you clear out your mind and your thoughts, and allows you room to breathe and do work or whatever the case may be. But I do believe that having a clean home definitely helps get you a great start to your day, your week, your month, whatever it is. So I'm just going in here with a dossier fragrance, the caramelized lavender and hazelnut, and I'm spraying it on the couch a little bit just to get the couch smelling really nice and clean. Once you do all your cleaning, you want to light your candles, get your smell good out. So that's pretty much what I'm doing here, making sure the living room smells really, really good. And then to, of course, add my final finishing touches, I want to put in some fresh flowers. Now, I will say this, girls, treat yourself to some fresh flowers. As you guys can see, it was only $9.97. We pass by them all the time we go to Walmart. And you don't have to be like a plant babe mom, because I'm not. As soon as they die, I throw them away because I don't really know how to take care of plants, okay? But it's okay because they're $9. I can just go back and get me some more the next week, and it's perfectly fine. I do not know much about cutting stems or anything, so don't judge the way that I'm throwing these flowers in here, but I just know that they're cute, they look good on the counter, and they make me feel good because, of course, the flowers smell good too, so it's always a plus to have them in your home. What we're going to do real quick before I even say anything, ignore that wig cap, okay? Let's just act like it's not there. Okay, cool. So I'm pretty much planning I'm pretty much planning the month ahead. I'm planning out my video content. I'm putting out appointments, meetings, photo shoots, things like that. Anything that I need to plan for the month goes on that large calendar. I'm also on my computer in Notion, and I'm planning out my videos and my content for this month. So that way I can make sure I'm staying on top of work and not missing anything or any other important activities that I have for the month ahead or the week ahead or whatever. So that's pretty much the last thing that I'm going to do to get myself prepared for the month of June. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video, and I hope this helped your own monthly reset routine. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really